Hello everyone, welcome to my channel ASP.NET Core. Today I am going to show you the next video tutorial of shopping cart project. In this project I am going to show you some view models and related to the categories. So first of all, the first view model to create, that is the create category category view model, you can say. That is the already created in the last video tutorial. But in this video tutorial I am going to show you the next view model, that is the create category view model for the create section. Okay, so there is create.cshtml also page add in the project by using scaffolding. Okay, now after that just right click on the index page index section method and add a list of create a view model, category view model, list of category view model. Okay, there is ID and the name, and resolve these IDs when we click on any hyperlinks, that is edit, details and delete. The ID parameter will pass on the URL. So there is that is in the index method. When we click on to create, that is the create action method will call. And in the edit section you use template, that is edit, and the model class. First of all, create a new view model class for category edit category view model. In the edit category view model we only need the name of the category, so you can use only the name, and model class is edit category view model. Okay, and in the details section must to get also ID is used as a parameter, that is ID parameter. So in the details section first of all get all the details of the category by using their ID property. So first of all create a new view model, that is details view model, detail category view model, and detail category view model hold both properties, that is ID and the name. So view item equals to view category equals to underscore that is dependency injection category underscore category dot get category by ID, and the ID property is this. Okay, now after that you have to map that category. Just I want to map that category into the view model. So mapper dot map that is the detail category view model, and in which you can pass category. Okay, and in the view section you have to pass mapped category. Similarly the same thing you can do in the edit section, and also update your automapper profile, that is create map. The source is category and I want to map that category into the edit category view model. So that is the thing. And in the edit category you have to pass integer ID. The same thing you can do it here, only change your view model names. So here we have the view model name is edit category view model. The remaining thing is the same. So create map, that is category, that is detail category view model. Okay, now in the delete section also you have to pass ID property in the get section of the delete. So just copy and the paste and add a new class in the view model for the delete view models, delete category view model. Okay, so in the delete category view model we only need ID and the parameter ID and the name also. So you can use it here and pass it here, delete category view model, and also add in the automapper profile, that is category to category delete category view model. Okay, and generate a view. Okay, there is a lots of view model, so just drag and drop. These all are view model which is outer side of your folder category view model. So just paste inside it and change the name of the view namespace of each view model, that is category view model. So just open it all others and change the namespace of all remaining view models name. Okay, so just edit here, just add it here, and just add it here. Okay, that's fine. Now save it all and resolve all other namespace where error occurs like that. So these are under in view models dot category view models. Okay, so resolved it easily, and in the mapper profile also, and in the view, in the views also. So category view models dot category create category view model. Okay, category view models, and the same thing it here, that is category view models dot category view model. Okay, so that is thing, and resolve namespace in the profile also, automapper profile also. Okay, that's fine. The whole thing are clear. Now after that you have to create action method for the HTTP get HTTP post method. So first of all use delete. So delete category view model and VM, just call underscore category dot delete category. So variable, there is no need to add a new variable. Underscore category dot delete category, and just first of all mapped that category into the model also. So in a parameter we have a view model, just I want to use a model. So underscore mapper dot map view model to model. So just open your automapper profile, and also reverse map is there. Category dot save, that is delete, redirect to action, that is index, and the controller name is the categories, and automapper profile is create map. There is actually no need to add another, so just add dot reverse map method. So category to delete category and delete category to category is also possible by using the reverse map feature. So the delete post method is clear, and just after you can add the new thing in the edit section, edit category view model, that is the view model. Okay, and in which you can add the same thing of the delete. The mapper profile is there, just open and add it reverse map also, and underscore category dot edit, I mean to say that update category by using mapped category view model, mapped category in model, and underscore category dot save and redirect to index action method. That is the edit section is clear for the category. And after that you have to made a create action method. Just copied it, and HTTP post action method, and for the create category view model VM, and in which you can add, just copy and paste it here for the category. And after that I will add some validation features, model dot is valid features, and exceptions features, async features, and await, and many other features are remaining. So this is the simple thing you can do in the shopping cart projects. for the category view model. So create category view model to category, that is the source to the destination in the mapper profile. Okay, so it's an easy thing you can do in a shopping cart project for the category controller. Thank you very much for watching this video.